Hey guys, it's FanaticGuide, and today we are unboxing this. And this is a Dbrand Prism 2 screen protector. As you can see on the bag, there's a ton of text that mentions some of the channel sponsors, channels that Dbrand sponsors like Linus Tech Tips, Jerry Everything. I should mention Jerry Everything also works with Dbrand to make the teardown skins. And I believe MKBHD is mentioned there somewhere. And I know PewDiePie is also, or has been sponsored by Dbrand in the past. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this cracked open. First incision here. Medical term I know. Oh, I cut myself. Great. Wrong end. Ah, God. And yes, I know how to use those razor blades. That was just an accident. Ah, God. An embarrassing one at that. Oh well. It is what it is. Anyway. Here we go. Onto the actual box itself. We get, it's black, and we get Dbrand written here. Prism 2.0 there. And this is for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Though, I don't know if this will fit on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And then, of course, this is made in Canada. And what will happen if you try to, no, you can't slide it out. You have to open it like so. And then I can read instructions. All right here, you can pause and read that if you want to. As you can see, the phone is turned off. So, unbox cleaning kit, that should be in here somewhere. This is the actual, I think that is the screen protector that we use. Cleaning kit is here, and that is a spare screen protector should this one fail. I'm gonna set this one aside for now. In here, we get our cleaning kit. This involves a little squeegee, as well as an alcohol wipe. Okay, don't want to botch this one too. Let's get this out. I think that one in there is the microfiber towel, if I'm not mistaken. We always have a spare in case something happens. And I think we are good in that sense. Let's get the microfiber towel opened up. Okay, got that open up. And we should be good to go, hopefully. And of course, the screen should now be spotless. I am going to clean this last bit of spot up here because I did think I saw something. Maybe that was my imagination. And I'm going to clean a kind of fingerprints that I might have seen off the display. And aside from that, we now attach the installer, which I set over here, onto the display. We want it set this way. We now do it like so. We shall now gently hold it. First step, of course, is to pull like so. And then wait for 5 seconds. And then swipe. And I already botched installation. Good thing they have the squeegee here. Peel from top. It's already coming off. Is it coming off? No, it's not. Good. Huh. After using the rubber thing strenuously, I can now report that the screen protector is now bubble-free, essentially, and it looks perfect on here. So the reason why I chose the Dbrand screen protector is because it perfectly aligns on here, as you can see. And the alignment, I have to say, is definitely perfect. Whereas with the screen protectors I bought in the past, you basically put it on there and struggle with the alignment. Dbrand screen protectors, you don't have to do that. You put it on there, as seen in the video, and it's perfectly aligned. And I'm not saying that because I'm paid by them. I'm not paid by them. I bought this with my own money. I'm saying that as someone who watched videos by creators whose channels are sponsored by Dbrand and are impressed by the results. Anyway, if you enjoyed or found this helpful, then please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.